Hello friends and welcome to my channel again, Ask the King Expert. This video is going to be very quick and very short. So watch the video till end because in the end I have one bonus tip for all of you guys. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I just want to thank everyone, each and every individual who watched my last video and subscribed to the channel. In case if you are new to the channel, then please click on the subscribe button. So in the last video, we discussed about the third point, which was how you can make your resume. So I received a lot of messages from my friends and different personalities which mentioned that we are following the first 3 points, but still our profile is not getting shortlisted. So this video is all about how you can make your resume more interactive. I will make much more detailed video about how you can make your resume, how you can present different sections on that. But in this video, I will just discuss about the main topics and main points which you can take care of while creating your resume. In case you have not watched my previous video, I have pasted the link of that video in the description. So please go and check it out right now. It would be very helpful for you. So now let's get to the main topic of this video, how to add important points in your resume and to make it more interactive. Before starting the video, I just want to clarify one point. So all these things are from my personal experiences and whatever situations I've faced and what I've learned from them and how I'm trying to learn from that. So everything belongs to my personal experience. So now let's get started to the video. Alright, so the first main point in making a resume is the resume should be very short and precise. If your resume is more than 2 pages or 3 pages, then you should try to bring it to 1 or 1.5, because the shorter the resume, the more chances of getting shortlisted. My resume is always of 1 page only because I try to put more and more precise information about me and my profile and all my roles and responsibilities. So in case if your resume is more than 1 page, then please try to bring it down to 1 page. In case you are not able to do that, then 1.5 is also good. But please don't try to make resumes which are big, like 2 or 3 pages, because if a person has to see 100 resumes in a single day, then he will definitely reject the profile which has more than 2 pages or 3. Now let's discuss the second point, where it will mention how you can write professional language in the resume. So I'll just share an example. So if a person is new in making a resume, he will try to write like, I am part of the development team. Don't make this mistake and just try to write it in more professional manner. For example, just try to write worked as a part of development team responsible for delivering different projects. If you are a part of quality assurance team, then you can simply write worked as a part of quality assurance team responsible for testing different projects on different deliverables. So the main focus on this point is to avoid using personal pronouns in resume, because it does not look professional at all and it's not impressive at all as well. So please try to write more professional language like this. In case you need more examples of how you can write more professional language, you can drop down your doubts in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply to that with the more useful information for you. So I did this mistake in the starting when I was simply putting down the details of my projects instead of sharing details of my profile. So then I try to update my resume and try to put in more generic details. For example, I belong to implementation background, so I always try to write details more about the implementation rather than providing details about the project. So this is the main key point which we need to focus. Always try to include more and more roles about your profile instead of sharing all the details about your project. You can definitely create a different section in your resume which will only speak about the different projects you have worked upon. So now it's time for the bonus tip. I am dropping my email in the description of the video. In case you want to connect with me, you want to update your resume and you're doing a job switch, then definitely we can connect with each other. You can drop an email with the details you need to know. I will reply to your email and then we can connect in case we need to. So definitely this is going to be very helpful for you. So please try to share this video so that it can reach to the correct people who are already struggling with making a resume and switching the job. Thank you very much.